let's talk about the 5 things that you could do as a seller to get your house ready to put on the market. Because let's be frank, buyers really love move-in ready houses. So let's take all of the hard work out of the equation and let's prep our house to maximizing selling our home in the quickest amount of time for the most amount of money. So here are the 5 things that you could and should do to get your house sold the quickest and for the most money. So I will say, before you do anything, I think it would be critical to have your trusted realtor come over and look at the bigger picture of your house. I say that because some of these things might be a bigger job than you intend it to be. So, number 1, a fresh coat of paint goes a long way. Number 2, keeping the floors consistent throughout the house. Now, that might be a bigger job than you realize. So, really talk to your trusted realtor. Not only that, it does go a long way to hire an interior designer to see, do the floors all really need to be replaced, or is there a way to do a quick fix that does not cheapen it? Number 3, right in the kitchen. Now, buyers typically like a nice, fresh, white kitchen. So don't bother taking your cabinetry and throwing it away. So can you paint it or give your kitchen cabinet a facelift? Updating your countertop and dated appliances. Now, once again, this might be something that you're gonna wanna consult your trusted realtor about, but this quick fix can really make a world of a difference, especially when you consider, for most families, the kitchen is where you spend a lot of your time. Number 5, this one is really underrated, but can make all of the difference. Hiring a professional cleaner. I'll give you a bonus. Number 6, declutter. Number 7, entertain the thought of new light fixtures. Light fixtures are really a quick way to give your property a whole new vibe. These are just some of the things that you want to do before you put your house on the market. If you have any other questions, always reach out. I would love to know what's on your mind.